He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will abide in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him I trust. For He will deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you will trust. His truth will be your shield and buckler. He will not fear the terror of night, nor the arrow that flies by day, nor the pestilence that stalks in darkness, nor the death that destroys in midday. 1,000 might fall at your side, and 10,000 at your right